How to combine the tar command with find. The find command gives this output. After combining with tar, it's showing this output. But while listing tar file, it's showing only a single file. What I am doing wrong here? With Zargs I am getting this output. Root at localhost, #find var/log/name anaconda. Zargs tar cvf file 1.tar. Second question. While typing, in front of var, means, find/var/log, why it's giving this message tar, removing leading slash from member names. In a simple form, what is the difference between in the following two? Find var/log and find/var/log.
Note, see at Ian's answer for a somewhat more efficient solution. Note that find will call the exec action for every single file it finds. If you run tar cvf file.tar for every single file find outputs, this means you'll overwrite file.tar every time, which explains why you end up with one archive left that only contains anaconda.storage.log and nbsb. It's the last file find outputs. Now, you actually want to append the files to the archive instead of creating it each time. This is what the C option does. So, use the following. Their option appends to the archive instead of recreating it every time. Note, replace name anaconda dot with name anaconda dot. The asterisk is a wildcard and can be expanded by your shell before find even sees it. To prevent this expansion, wrap the argument in double quotes. As for tar removing leading slash, the archive should only contain relative file names. If you added files with a leading slash, they would be stored as absolute file names, literally meaning /var/. On your computer, for example. This is simply a precaution for tar implementations other than new, and it's safer this way because you won't overwrite your actual data in /var/. When you extract the archive if it contains relative file names.
You can use something like the print 0 and T work together to allow file names with spaces, new lines, etc. The final tells tar to read the input file names from stin. Note that print 0 must come at the end of your statement per this answer. Otherwise you will probably get more files than you expect.
Try this. You were trying to use find to exec tar. But the way the exec option works, it runs the command once for each matching file it finds, causing tar to overwrite the tar file it produces each time. That's why you only ended up with the last one. Also, you need to put quotes around the pattern you specify to find so that the shell doesn't expand it before passing it to find. Using command substitution with backticks, or using $... notation if you prefer, the entire list of names produced by find is pasted back onto the command line as arguments to tar, causing it to write them all at once.
Question 1. Your command fails because tar is taking each of the files found and archiving them into file.tar. Each time it does so, it will overwrite the previously created file.tar. If what you want is one archive with all the files, then simply run tar directly. There is no need for find, and yes, this works for files with spaces in their names. Question 2. The two commands are completely different. Find var/log will search a directory called var/log, which is a subdirectory of your current directory. It is equivalent to find./var/log. Notice the ./ Find/var/log will search a directory called /var/log, which is a subdirectory of the root /. The leading message is from tar, not find. It means that it is removing the first of your file names to make absolute paths interrelative. This means that the file from /var/log/anaconda.error will be extracted to ./var/log/anaconda.error when you enter the archive.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.